हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू माय यूट्यूब आउट ऑफ बॉक्स विद अनिल पांडे। और जैसा कि मैंने आपको अभी आज बताया था कि आफ्टर आईटी रेट के बारे में अपडेट आपको दिया था कि प्रेस्टीज जो है आईटी रेट जो चल रही थी इट इज़ बीइंग क्लियर्ड। और मैंने आपको बताया था कि आज मैं आपको एवलॉन का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन अपडेट है उसके बारे में मैं बताऊंगा। सो टुडे आई हैव जस्ट विजिटेड टू Prestige Experience Center, or whatever the information just I am narrating in this video, I have just confirmed from Prestige, Experience Center, which is of its Prestige office regarding any update about Prestige City. So what happened because of the IT raid, the CRM were busy in the participating for investigation running on the MG road, Brenton, road, and so they were not picking up the call. So I thought, why not to go there and ask to Prestige City Center, Experience Center, so to have the update regarding this. So that update just today also I have given the video, just uploaded before 1 hour. You can go, the viewers can go and have the update in full. I have made regarding this IT, raid on the Prestige City, which is being cleared. Now I am just showing you the part of the construction process which is running at present in Prestige City. Just now you can see from your screen the images. Just I am taking from the distance from Prestige Experience Center. So now right now on your screen you can see the visuals of the Avalon, which is fully completed, and by side Eden Park the work is going on with full space. So this is for the viewers, which again and again ask so from where to get the information about the inventory. Some of them want to buy the flats in this Prestige City, so they can visit this office. You will get all the information there. Right now you are seeing the images of the Avalon, which is having 7 tower all completed. And also just I have updated also, they have just got it OC approval has on 5th March. The OC is being approved for the Avalon, and now at your screen you are seeing this Eden Park. So OC is being already approval, this for Avalon Park is received. They are only waiting for Bescom power connection. Those two things are very vital before handing over or possession of any of the flat. So the tentative date, once again I will tell, the OC is already received on 5th March, and they are waiting tentative for Bescom power connection approval on 28th of this March. When these two vital things will be over, then naturally the process come for possession and handover, and then come for registration. So all the buyers who are just by message asking for me to give the construction update regarding Avalon, Eden, Meriden, and whatever I am just as a whole I am giving you. This is now right now on your screen you can see Meriden also. So I am giving as a whole the update because I have visited to Prestige Experience Center. Today is 6 March 2025. So latest update you are getting with the latest information. So when I will come out also, then I will also give you the images. Right now these images you are seeing from the marketing office of the Prestige City at Sarjapur. For new viewers, this info I will just share, because this prestige city having 188 acre of land parcel. In that, near about 10,000 flats are there, and the and in different towers like Avalon Park, Eden Park, Meriden Park, Aston Park, and independent villas also there. Plotted development is also there. So it is a landmark project of the at Sarjapur, with this much parcel of land, and with this much you can see when 10,000 flats are there, so approximately you can understand near about 40,000 people will be living there. So the growth part of point also you should aware, because Sarjapur is known for educational hub. Already the infrastructure is there. The coming infrastructure will be very vast, because already if you talk about education, so many prominent schools, colleges are here, surrounded by like DPS school, Cambridge High School, and so many schools are here, and tech park like Wipro Tech Park, RJ Tech Park, Eco World, Eco Space are surrounded with this. So many reputed hospitals like Manipal, and then Sakra is not also much away. So it is going, and after announcement of the Swift City, the third, IT park, or you can say after ITPL and Electronic City, it will be there in the form of a Swift City in Sarjapur. Already the land, I have put up earlier video also, where I have just narrated in full length. So it is going to be a very prime, connect. If you take it as a connectivity wise, so it is in center of Electronic City, and you can say Marathalli. So this because Marathalli doesn't have now place. Now so many IT companies with new infrastructure like AI offices, they require a huge space. So infrastructure is coming in that, in the form of Swift City, and also that metro connectivity of third phase is also under approval. Already it is being approved. The work will start from January, tentative in 2026. So with all these things, because it is surrounded by so many reputed schools, colleges, shopping centers, and which makes Sarjapur is a prime growth. Whoever like younger is want to invest on the property, so this is the area where they can just check it out, because ultimately the growth is two-way is happening in Bangalore in much space, much place. One is in North Bangalore, another part is this Sarjapur. So this is with this showing some of the information I am sharing to viewers. Right now, just I have come out, you can see the images of Avalon Park and Eden Park once again. So naturally, tentative, I think, the all process with all approvals will be, after that, you can take maximum of 15th April, the owners will get their flat in Avalon Park. Only internal finish, maybe coating or something may be going on with this. So now this is the time, as I say in every video, whatever the owners are there, they can just get their budget check for, because you need to pay for registration, you need to pay for sink fund, you need to pay for corpus fund, and so many maintenance charges of 1 year. So that you get prepared and recheck your budget. Right now you are on your screen, you are seeing Espan Green Villa, which is also just ready for possession. Again, view, I am giving you the Avalon, and whatever the barrier they have put up on the today I have seen on the road, entry road, exit or एग्जिट और एंट्री रोड पे whatever the barrier जो उन्होंने रखे थे वो सब हट चुके हैं. तो it gives signal that the apartment Avalon Tower is going to be handed over very soon. और ईमेल भी इन्होंने किया है जो ओनर्स हैं उसमें बाकायदा, अगर जिन्होंने अपनी ईमेल चेक नहीं किया दे कैन चेक इट, इन दैट आल्सो दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज़ बीइंग गिवन कि 5 मार्च को इसका जो है उसी अप्रूवल हो चुका है और 28 मार्च को ये जो है बेस्कॉम पावर का कनेक्शन दिया जा रहा है. बिकॉज माई अगेन आई एम जस्ट नरेटिंग इन 2 लैंग्वेजेस बिकॉज माई व्यूअर्स आर फ्रॉम फ्रॉम वेरी हु कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेल हिंदी में भी समझना उनको मतलब ठीक लगता है. एंड देन इंग्लिश पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू माई व्यूअर्स डजंट नो, सम ऑफ द व्यूअर्स हिंदी नहीं जानते हैं तो उनके लिए भी जस्ट सो इट इज़ अ मल्टी लैंग्वेज, आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग फॉर दैट पर्पज़. Right now on your screen you can see Avalon Park, which is again I have told you ready for all respect. Only the matter of days, and that visiting also they will allow within very shortly, within 1 week you will get a mail, and then if you just connect to your CRM then you can visit this flat shortly. Because in experience center they have told within 1 week they will start owners to visit and physically check their flat, so you can have the idea कि मेरे को इंटीरियर कैसे कराना है, जो मेरा स्पेस है उसमें 3 BHK है और 2 BHK है कौन सा. सो इट विल हेल्प आउट इन एडवांस टू फॉर योर इंटीरियर वर्क विच इज़ आफ्टर पोजीशन. नेचुरली एवरीवन हैज़ टू बी बिहाइंड द इंटीरियर. सो अगर वो विजिट करने के लिए अभी दे देते हैं तो गेट प्रिपेयर्ड एंड चेक इट आउट कि अपना एरिया क्या आपको किस टाइप का इंटीरियर कराना है और वो आपको हेल्प कर सकता है. तो अभी बहुत ही अपडेट्स आपको कमिंग वीक्स में रिगार्डिंग हैंडओवर ऑफ द एवलॉन पार्क आपको मिलते रहेंगे थ्रू योर मैसेज, थ्रू योर ग्रुप मेल मैसेज. तो आप चेक करते रहिए और जो भी अपडेट है और भी रिगार्डिंग द प्रेस्टी सिटी वो मैं आप तक लेकर आता रहूँगा. सो नाउ आउटर साइड मैं दिखा रहा हूँ टुवर्ड्स नाउ फोरम मॉल का भी जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है बहुत ही स्पीड से चल रहा है. और इसका एक तरफ तो आप अंदर देखते हैं कि इसका एंट्री गेट है, दूसरा इन्होंने ह्यूज एरिया टुवर्ड्स रोड साइड में जब आप प्रेस्टी सिटी से बाहर निकलते हैं तो उधर भी उनका एंट्री गेट है, काफ़ी ह्यूज एरिया है. तो उधर भी काम जो फोरम मॉल का वर्क जो है बहुत अच्छे से बहुत अच्छी स्पीड से चल रहा है. ये राइट नाउ आप देख रहे हैं अपने स्क्रीन पे एस्पन ग्रीन विला है जो बन के लगभग तैयार हो गए. इसका भी जस्ट पोजीशन के लिए वेटिंग हो रहा है. जिन लोगों ने इसमें लिया है वो अपना मेल वगैरह चेक कर सकते हैं. जस्ट नाउ ऑन योर स्क्रीन जो कवर किया हुआ है ब्लू सीट से ये फोरम मॉल का एरिया है. और अगर आप बाहर से जाएंगे गेट के तो उस तरफ भी टुवर्ड्स रोड टुवर्ड्स सरजापुर साइड आल्सो देयर they have covered with this blue sheet and the work is going on with full pace. Now this is the main entrance of the Sarjapur gate which you are seeing right now on your screen. तो जो बैरियर उन्होंने पहले डाल के रखे थे क्योंकि एक ही रोड यूज़ कर रहे थे तो अब सारा बैरियर निकाल चुके हैं. सो देयर इज़ यू कैन एक्सेस बाकायदा जो एंट्री रोड है उससे आप जा सकते हैं, एग्ज़िट रोड है उससे भी जा सकते हैं. पहले एक ही रोड यूज़ होता था. समटाइम दे आर क्लोजिंग एग्ज़िट रोड, अनदर टाइम समटाइम दे आर क्लोजिंग एज पर द वर्क एग्ज़िट रोड. दिस इज़ द प्लेस विच आई एम शोइंग यू फोरम मॉल. Construction is going on with full pace. Right now on your screen you can see the Prestige entrance gate which is coming from Domsandra and going towards Sarjapur. So this is on the road. Again I will zoom it out and you can see Avalon So viewers, how you like my this video, because people were waiting for Avalon construction update, which today I have visited, and I have just concluded with the information to you regarding IT rate which is being completed, and regarding OC update regarding the Bescom power is coming to 28 March, and finally you will be handed over the flat up to 15 April. So here, thank you for watching my channel. Again, kindly subscribe my channel and share to your contact. Thank you.